Well, I'm here in the backyard, and this is the reinforcement steel that's corroding inside there. So we move the decorative rocks back out of the way, we put tarps down, and we dig down to the support footing down below. And then we remove everything that's chipping, cracking, and flaking off of this foundation wall here. And this rebar is going to be replaced with this new carbon fiber rebar. It's twice as strong as steel. It's a GFRP bar, and it is approved. This is also approved. This is the new replacement anchor for the J-bolts that are every 4 feet in here. And the repair would be basically to this joint, or just to this side of that termite mound. There's quite a few termites. There's some new tubes going on here. So the issue from the corrosion is the roof rainfall coming down and going back towards the foundation. There's no waterproofing, it's just paint to the top of the dirt, and that's what causes the corrosion. My name is James Belville. If you have any questions, please feel free to call me, 602-418-2970. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.